Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for William in Tennessee on the RCI-2970N2. William, you grabbed the last one we had in stock. There's rumors these have been discontinued, and then there's rumors that they're gonna come back out with them, but as of right now, this is the last of the Mohicans. Let's get right to it, William. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. We set you around 4 or 5 watts. That way, if you decide to run like a 6 pill or 8 pill, you get full adjustability. 40 watts all the way up. And I'm going to show you the average power swing. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Really puts that 250 watt slug over in the corner as well. Sideband, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right around 250. Now let's go back to AM and roll it all the way down. So if you're going to run an amp and you want to see how much peak power you're going to get from a 4 or 5 watts in, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 250 in the corner. Now, William, we did the upgrades for you: electrolytic capacitor upgrade, voltage regulator upgrade. You get an amp on-off switch right here in the back, so you can flip the amp off, and that way if you're close to someone or you're wanting to drive a low drive amp, you can do that as well. Okay, William, we appreciate it, and we're going to send this right on that to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.